Welcome to the Amazon, the lungs of our planet, a living miracle stretching across 9 countries, and home to more life than anywhere else on Earth. Breathe deeply, slow down, and travel with us into the heart of the world's largest tropical rainforest. Where nature whispers, rivers dream, and life exists in perfect harmony. The mighty Amazon River. Flowing through the heart of South America, the Amazon River is a true wonder of nature. Stretching over 4,300 miles, it is the second longest river in the world, yet the largest by volume. Its vast network of tributaries nourishes one of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. The river's waters teem with life: giant river dolphins, piranhas, and the elusive Amazonian manatee call it home. Its banks are lined with dense rainforests, sheltering thousands of plant and animal species found nowhere else. Every year, the Amazon swells with rainfall, transforming the landscape into a massive floodplain. This seasonal rhythm supports both wildlife and the indigenous communities who have lived alongside the river for centuries, relying on it for food, transport, and culture. The Amazon is more than just a river, it is a lifeline. Its currents carry nutrients that sustain forests, its waters regulate the climate, and its immense biodiversity is a treasure trove for scientists and explorers alike. Despite its majesty, the river faces threats from deforestation and pollution, reminding us that preserving the Amazon is essential for the planet's health. Flowing relentlessly through time, the mighty Amazon remains a symbol of nature's power, mystery, and beauty. Rainforest canopy. Above the forest floor, the Amazon canopy stretches like a vast, living roof, sheltering an astonishing diversity of life. Sunlight filters through layers of leaves, creating a mosaic of light and shadow, where birds, monkeys, and countless insects thrive. Towering trees interlock their branches, forming hidden pathways for wildlife and a natural network for vines and epiphytes. From this height, the forest pulses with sound, the rhythmic calls of macaws, the chatter of howler monkeys, and the soft rustle of leaves in the wind. Unique creatures like sloths, toucans, and tree frogs navigate this aerial world, perfectly adapted to a life far above the ground. The canopy also plays a crucial role in regulating the climate. It traps humidity, supports nutrient cycles, and shields the undergrowth, sustaining the rainforest's delicate ecosystem. Tiny flowers bloom unseen, while seeds drift on the breeze, continuing the cycle of life. Exploring the Amazon canopy reveals a realm of color, movement, and complexity, often invisible from below. Here, life flourishes in layers, reminding us of the incredible resilience and beauty of the rainforest's hidden world. Every glance upward uncovers a universe of discovery, where the trees themselves tell stories older than human memory. The Symphony of Wildlife. The Amazon rainforest hums with life, a living orchestra of nature. From the canopy above, colorful macaws glide gracefully, their wings painting the sky with streaks of red, blue, and yellow. Below, howler monkeys echo through the trees, their calls merging into a deep, resonant chorus. Rivers snake silently, reflecting the emerald canopy, where caimans glide like shadows beneath the water's surface. Bright poison dart frogs perch on glistening leaves, tiny jewels amid the lush green, while jaguars stealthily roam, embodying the raw power of the jungle. Insects shimmer like scattered stars, and the gentle rustle of leaves blends with the distant roar of waterfalls. The Amazon is alive at every layer, from the forest floor to the treetops, each creature playing its part in this grand symphony. Even as rain falls, the forest doesn't pause. Droplets create rhythmic percussion on broad leaves, adding harmony to the calls of birds, monkeys, and frogs. Every sound, every movement, tells a story of survival, resilience, and balance. The Amazon is more than a forest, it's a living, breathing masterpiece, a symphony where every creature contributes to the music of life, forever echoing across the heart of the world's largest rainforest. Indigenous spirit. Deep in the heart of the Amazon, the spirit of its indigenous people pulses with the rhythm of the rainforest. For thousands of years, tribes like the Yanomami, Kayapo, and Tikuna have lived in harmony with nature, understanding the secrets of the jungle that modern science is only beginning to uncover. Every leaf, river, and creature holds meaning. Medicine is drawn from plants, stories are etched in songs, and rituals honor the balance of life. The forest is not just home, it is a sacred ancestor, a living guide. Hunting and farming are done sustainably, ensuring that the jungle thrives for generations. Children learn from elders, absorbing wisdom about the cycles of rain, the flight of birds, and the hidden trails of animals. Their art, painted on bodies and carved into wood, tells stories of spirits, myths, and the eternal connection between humans and the earth. Music and dance are bridges between the physical and spiritual worlds, uniting community and nature in harmony. Despite challenges from deforestation and modern encroachment, the indigenous spirit remains unbroken. It is a reminder that humanity's deepest roots lie not in cities, but in the wild places where respect, knowledge, and life itself are inseparable. Hidden giants. The Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth, is home to some of the most incredible and hidden giants on our planet. Towering above the forest floor, the kapok trees can reach up to 230 feet, their massive trunks supporting entire ecosystems of birds, monkeys, and insects. Beneath the canopy, the giant river otter silently navigates the winding waterways, a predator both graceful and elusive. In the water, the arapaima, one of the largest freshwater fish in the world, glides through rivers, a living relic from prehistoric times. On land, the green anaconda, the heaviest snake on Earth, coils among the dense vegetation, often unseen but always present. And high above, the harpy eagle, with wingspans reaching 7 feet, reigns supreme, silently observing the forest from its lofty perch. Even the smallest corners of the rainforest hide giants of another kind, the giant Amazonian water lily, whose leaves span over 6 feet, carrying small animals safely across its surface. These hidden giants remind us of the Amazon's mystery and majesty. They live quietly, unnoticed by most, yet they are the backbone of one of the world's richest ecosystems. The Amazon is more than a forest, it is a kingdom of giants, each with a story waiting to be discovered. Medicine forest. Deep in the heart of the Amazon rainforest lies a hidden treasure, the medicine forest. This lush ecosystem is home to thousands of plants used for centuries by indigenous tribes to heal, nourish, and protect. Every tree, leaf, and root carries a story. Some soothe pain, others fight infections, and a few are even used to treat life-threatening diseases. One of the most remarkable is the cinchona tree, whose bark produces quinine, a historic cure for malaria. The ayahuasca vine offers spiritual journeys and mental healing under the guidance of shamans. And the copaiba tree, with its golden resin, serves as a natural anti-inflammatory. The forest's magic lies not just in its plants but in the deep knowledge passed down through generations. Local healers, or shamans, understand the delicate balance of nature, blending science and tradition to restore health. Scientists today are racing to study these plants, hoping to unlock cures hidden in the dense foliage. Yet, the medicine forest is fragile. Deforestation and climate change threaten this living pharmacy. Protecting it means preserving not just trees, but centuries of wisdom, life-saving remedies, and a vital part of our planet's heritage. The Amazon's medicine forest is not just a forest, it's a living library of healing, waiting to be explored and respected. Waterfall sanctuaries. Nestled deep within the heart of the Amazon rainforest, waterfall sanctuaries are nature's hidden masterpieces. Towering cascades tumble from lush cliffs, their waters sparkling as sunlight filters through the dense canopy above. Each waterfall creates a serene oasis, where the rhythmic rush of water blends harmoniously with the symphony of jungle life. Vibrant birds glide across mist-filled air, while colorful butterflies dance around flowering plants that cling to the rocks. The waterfalls vary from gentle, hidden streams to powerful torrents that carve their way through ancient stone. Pools formed at the base invite rare creatures to drink and play, from playful river dolphins to shy jaguars on the forest edge. The surrounding forest thrives on the constant spray, creating microhabitats filled with orchids, ferns, and mosses that can't be found anywhere else on Earth. Exploring these sanctuaries is a sensory journey. The cool spray on your skin, the earthy scent of damp soil, and the echo of cascading water all evoke a feeling of timeless wonder. These hidden waterfalls are not just breathtaking landscapes, they are lifelines for countless species and a reminder of the Amazon's unmatched, fragile beauty. Sunset and nightlife. As the sun begins its descent over the Amazon, golden rays filter through the dense canopy, painting the jungle in hues of amber and crimson. The air hums with life, the calls of exotic birds echo across the rivers, while tiny insects create a symphony that only nature could compose. Gliding over the water, you can see the reflections of towering trees and colorful skies dancing on the surface, creating a scene that feels almost magical. This is the Amazon at sunset, where every moment is fleeting yet unforgettable. As night falls, the jungle transforms. The sunlight fades, replaced by a mysterious, moonlit world. Bioluminescent insects flicker like stars among the foliage, while nocturnal creatures, jaguars, ocelots, and caimans, begin their nightly hunt. The river comes alive with sounds that are both eerie and mesmerizing, a reminder that life in the Amazon never sleeps. The Amazon at night is a delicate balance of beauty and danger. Every rustle in the leaves, every ripple in the water tells a story of survival and adaptation. Experiencing this transformation from day to night is witnessing nature's most intimate secrets unfold. Here, in this vast wilderness, the sunset fades, but the magic of the Amazon endures. The Amazon is not just a forest, it is the beating heart of our world. Protecting it means protecting our future. Thank you for traveling with us through the world's most powerful and beautiful rainforest. Until our next journey, breathe deeply, travel gently, and stay curious. Fade out with soft jungle rain sound.
Thank you.